A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you about some spell. These spells are very powerful, accurate and used spell. Many spells we tell you and we make many videos on this spell. We make these videos after using this spell, and these spells are very true and accurate. To do this spell, you have to take not too much ingredients or things required for these spells, because we made spells with not much ingredients. So today we are going to tell you about the spells that is love spell only for ex-lover, ex-girlfriend, ex-wife or ex-husband. This is only for ex-person, like someone leave you, like someone gave divorce to you, like someone don't want to talk to you but he or she talked to you before. So that is only for ex-person that came in your life and go away from your life. So this spell will attract him or attract her to get back in your life permanently. This spell is very powerful and very accurate and useful, because sometimes people telling you spells, you doing these spells and wasting time, but you didn't get any kind of results, you did not get any kind of call or message from your lover. But this spell will work for sure. To start this spell, you have to take only a leaf of any tree. It should be like this in big size, 4 to 5 cloves. This is 5 cloves and a black marker. Nothing expect of this you need for this spell. And be sure this spell only for ex-lover. You have to know his name or her name. You have to know his city. That's it. No ingredients required, and this spell will give you result instant and accurate result. Your lover, your ex will call you and he or she will propose you for friendship. If you want friendship, he will propose you for a friendship, or if you want to get married with him or her, and he or she will propose you for that, and he will do all the things that you want from her. But don't do this in wrong way. Don't play with someone's emotion after doing this spell. I know this spell will give you result for sure. To begin this spell, to start this spell, you have to write the person's name here. Like you have to write her name. For example, her name is Linda. And she is from US. Like you have to write her name, like her name is Linda and she is from US. So you have to write this, and after that you have to make a sign of plus, and your name is Robin. And you're also from US. You have to make a bracket after your names like this. You have to write your lover name on the first place, Linda, and her country US. After that you have to make a sign of plus and your name Robin, and you're also from US. You have to write like this. After that you have to take this clove and put into your lover, near to your lover's name. Like her name is Linda, so you have to write like this. So you have to put these clothes like this. Like this you have to do that. After that you have to put this globe in the middle of the plus sign, like this. This is sign of plus, you can see that. And you have to put this globe in the sign of middle of the plus sign. After that you have to keep this spell and say some words: Abu, Linda, Wadu, Robin, Abu, Linda, Wadu, Robin. So you have to say this magical word for 21 times, and you have to do this spell Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. After doing this spell, your lover will contact you instant, and he or she will propose you for marriage for whole life. He or she will be in your control. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any kind of question, you can call us on our number. Thank you.